making sure there's nothing information-wise on here. These, part number right there, for Baker 0973 724. What are these, you ask? Why, they are quite important where it comes to Volkswagens. Boxes, bags are hard. New connectors. No pins, no nothing, just new connectors. These things break all the time, especially when people don't know how to get them loose. Even if you do know how to get them loose, they can still break because they get old and brittle and fall apart. And so what happens usually is that little tab in there, that one that's lifting, it just snaps off, as you will find out here. So we're gonna depin and repin all these and move them over. And so I'm going to take you on the beautiful trip of the journey of doing that. First thing we're gonna do is unplug them all. We're gonna worry about the coils and the plugs later after we get all the connectors changed. So how you want to get these loose, stick your pick tool under the front, broken, 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 not broken, not broken. So you want to stick your pick tool down under the front, slide it up, you'll hear a slight click, and that means it's coming loose. Again, this one's already broke, so away we go. So we're gonna get all these loose to where we can move them around really easily, like this. We can even disconnect this one, which again, I like to go in through the front, lift the tab, pull back. There. Got plenty of slack, plenty of room to work. So we'll start with this broken one. So in these, you can see this little purple ring. Got to pop that ring back. How far is the question? Seems like this second notch here. There's two little notches, one there and one there. This is locked, this is unlocked. Although this one just is going to come all the way out, I guess, which also is functional. So what you really want to use, which we're going to try, I finally got a tool set for this. Got these on Amazon for like 12 bucks, I think, 12. It was less than 20, I know that much. So we're going to try and find something that looks kind of similar to this. I think you want the kind that, yeah, that looks like a good one. That looks like a possible winner. So you want to stick it in there, and that should hopefully depin it. But we might not have the right kind. I think that one's too narrow. This one might not be. Oh, I heard clicks. Hey, look at that. That was the winner. Look at there, look at there. So this is pin 1. So we'll take it out of here. You see what it's doing is it's hitting a tab up here and a tab down here and dislodging it from the connector. So we're going to take that, feed it into here. We just got to make sure we're straight. Ta-da! One transferred over. Yeah. Come on. There we go. All the way out. There we go. Come on. Out. Thank you. So we're depinning them first, as you can see here. We're taking them out of this broken one. You see what's broke, the connector thing there's shot. And then we're putting them back in to here. And so it's really not complicated, especially if you do it one at a time. You're not going to screw up. Just make sure you put pin 1 and pin 1, pin 4 and pin 4, and on down the line. And there we have them all. We have all the pins. We can see them all, that they're fresh right up against the thing here. So we can just lock them in place like that. And there we go. We have successfully transferred the connector. Thank you for joining me for this edition of Let's Put Some Things in a Car. And Do leave a comment, questions, concerns, or ridicule in the comments below. And of course, I hope to see you guys here live Monday through Friday, that I will be live and you can watch this live like a bunch of people are doing right now. So thank you all for joining me. Catch you all in the next one.